Right, today we've got a Mini Cooper S 2006 1.6 supercharger. We're going to remove the engine, replace the starter motor, the clutch and the timing chain. Diagnosis, customer complaint. Right, this is a video of the rebuild of the Mini Cooper S Nightmare. As we can see, we've stripped the engine down and we've looked in the sump and it's left us lots of presents. Let's see what else we can find.
That should just pull out, so to speak.
Right, so if you guys move that chain for me, and we can see what the issue was. So what actually happened to this engine then? Come on, man. What happened to the engine?
Well, the timing chain guy broke.
Yeah.
Which the tensioner fell out.
Yes.
Which then enabled slack, which then smashed all the guides.
Okay. And then it caused the damage that was in the sump. Can you just grab that sump again? And these are all the parts that are now in the sump. So if you've got a Mini Cooper S and you don't do the timing chain right intervals, you're going to have these issues. Give me a little video. Just jump in and give it a little rev. Alright, mate. Yo, it's alright. So rebuilt this Mini Cooper S. Just put the engine back in now. Seems to be a strange whistling noise coming from the area of the supercharger. Let's take it for a test drive.